Hi. Welcome back to yet another episode of CampK12 TV. And well, today's episode is different. Today's episode is all about you guys. And I'm going to tell you guys soon why. Because you guys would have seen all the promos where we are saying challenge the coder, come and tell us what to do. And yes, that's true. Today you are going to tell my super coder what to create, and she's going to create all of that. So before we invite her, let's take 2 minutes to quickly install the CampK12 app so you guys can actually challenge the coder. So guys, go to Play Store, go to App Store and install the CampK12 app. And once you're on the CampK12 app, there are two buttons. There's send a challenge and there's join community, and the community bit is something that I'm going to tell you guys in a bit, but please quickly go install CampK12 app, and we are starting in 2 minutes, right? So I'm going to start my countdown in 2 minutes, and I want all of you guys to quickly install CampK12 app to be able to participate in today's challenge. Yeah, so let's start. All right, let's start it. Hey guys. Oh, oopsie. I was on mute. Hi guys. So welcome to yet another episode of CampK12 TV. I'm sure you would have installed our app. If not, quickly go and install our app till I am telling you guys what is today about. So today is a fun episode, guys. I can already see a lot of you guys are excited. I can see some of you guys were also giving a countdown of when the episode will start. Well, I am excited about today's episode. I'll tell you why. Because it's not an episode where the super coder has prepared something. Instead, it's an episode where everything's just going to be impromptu, right? And I love impromptu. So what we are going to do is we are going to get you guys to give my super coder a special challenge, and whatever you guys tell us, she is going to create. So I am excited. I hope you also are ready with some fun challenges. And well, before getting any further delay, let's invite our super coder. So Ina, can you join us? Hi Ina.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, and I'm really excited for today.
Me too. And I am so glad that you're excited. I would have been super nervous if I was to create challenges, like answer challenges, but I'm so glad you're excited. So Ina, before we move ahead, can we quickly tell everyone what's CampK12, right? So for how long have you been with CampK12?
I joined only 3 months ago.
Wow, and you already feel confident about taking challenges and completing stuff impromptu. That's super. Yes, that's amazing. So guys, just like Ina, there are many more super coders at CampK12. We are an online school who teach 21st century skills to young kids like Ina, right from grade 1 to old kids till grade 12. And every Friday at 7 p.m. we get Ina and many of her friends live to teach you guys. So Ina, you're a teacher today, right? You're not only going to complete challenges, but you're also going to teach students. Am I right?
Kind of.
Kind of. Okay, that's nice. You have to teach me at least.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I really feel like an imposter in this session. And well, I am obsessed with Among Us, Ina, and I was so glad that we chose Among Us theme, because I know so many of my students and so many of my friends are obsessed with Among Us. I'm sure your friends are as well.
Yes, they are.
They are, right? Nice. So today, what are we going to do? Can you tell us a bit about what are we going to do?
So today our audience is going to be giving me challenges based on the
Wonderful.
theme Among Us, which I will make.
That's great. So Ina, tell me a bit about yourself, because see, for me to challenge someone, I should know if that person's ready. So let's tell everyone, how confident are you, and also how did this come to your mind? Because I remember when we were discussing about it, and we just came up with, hey, you know what? Let everyone give you challenge, and you had a very nice reason for it. So can you tell us a bit about yourself and why would you want to take these challenges?
Well, these challenges are mainly because a real coder doesn't come fully prepared and they should be able to code whatever they want right away.
True, that's right. So it's like, well, if you know coding, then you should be able to create anything, right?
Yeah.
Nice. And you feel confident about it.
Yes.
Super. So where are you from, Ina? What grade are you in? Because you're already starting to intimidate me with your confidence.
Um, well, I'm in grade 3.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. And where are you from? Which school do you go to?
I'm from Bangalore and I go to AKR schools, BTM layout.
Super. And what all projects have you created on Scratch?
Well, I've made a calculator.
Ah, nice.
Well, kind of a game which based on it's like a little quiz where you answer questions,
Mm-hmm.
and based on the answers you give, the game will tell you what kind of a drink you are.
Oh, wow. That's fun. That is so cool. I like how all your projects are like innovative. Great. So, Ina, how about we do this? Everyone, guys, come on. This is the time when you start with your challenges. The first challenge that I am going to give to Ina, so we get some time for you guys to give challenges. And till Ina is completing my challenge, everyone start adding your challenges to the app. So I'm able to help Ina create something fun. Cool. So are you ready, Ina? Because, well, today though all we can do is just go to the blank scratch. Wow, we already have challenges. Oh, there are so many challenges already. Awesome.
That's quick.
That's quick. Everyone's excited to see what you're doing, and I have it here on my app. So how about let's just go, Ina, and share your screen. Oh, I have to give you access, right?
Yes, you do.
Yeah. Cool. You have it. And guys, my first challenge to Ina is, because as I mentioned, I'm obsessed with Among Us. I play it every night. It's like my de-stress. To just go ahead to this. So Ina, I want you to create an Among Us background here. Let's just start with that.
That's easy.
And wow, and there are like so many
Since
people.
you're making Among Us,
Yeah.
I'll just tell you we don't need this scratch cat sprite. I'm going to remove that.
Okay, fine.
Now, do you want me to paint the backdrop or do you want me to upload the backdrop?
We should upload it, right? I'm sure, because you have been experimenting.
that
So
would
yeah.
Yeah, that would be quicker.
Cool.
Alright, so I will go to backdrops and upload.
Nice.
Now let me just pick my file.
Super. And I am here to quickly give you a
Here's the backdrop.
nice. And just a heads up, Ina, one of our students, her name is Shriyarti. She is from grade 3 as well, just like you are.
Okay.
She is saying that please can you create something where like just create the basic functionality where you know how they run around. So can you,
That's really easy.
I know, but it's great we are starting with an easier thing. Also, Ina, can we
Right.
zoom in a bit? Like, can you?
Yes. Let me see.
You can just do control plus plus or command plus plus. So like your entire screen gets zoomed in. Yes. Perfect. I think this
Like
is
that?
good. Yeah, this is great. Thank you so much.
Now,
Cool.
just so that our backdrop covers our screen,
Okay.
I'm just going to select the backdrop. No, it didn't get selected. Never.
Right.
Alright, selected.
Right.
Now I'm going to use just a stretch
Yeah.
and stretch.
Yeah.
So it covers this page.
Super. It's a clear background. I like it. Now can we add your Among Us character? I love those Among Us characters.
Alright, we already have 2 in our backdrop. Oopsies, we need to upload our sprite.
Yes.
So upload sprite. And okay, just give me a minute.
Yeah.
I will get my sprite.
Okay. You can actually search it from you can actually search it from the previous one as well. Like in your I felt like I saw it
Oh,
on your, yeah,
yes, I think I had made a previous Among Us.
or something like that. But hey, while she is doing this, guys, I'm just going to stop the screen share so I can tell you a bit more about what you have and what we have exciting, guys. So I can see you guys are actually giving us challenges, and I have so many which we are going to create. But we also have a special surprise for you guys today, like I have nowadays with every session. And this session surprise is, guys, we really want you to participate and become a part of the team. Yeah, so we are opening this opportunity and we are opening up this sort of stage for 10 kids right now who can be a part of CampK12 community. And what will you get to do? You guys will actually get to participate in our monthly meetings where all of us will get together, will brainstorm on what exciting stuff would you like to add on the app, what exciting stuff would you like to see on the TV, and you will also get to test new features of the app before all your peers and friends can test them, right? So guys, while Ina is actually getting her sprite and also I'm getting so many challenges, can you quickly go and can you go back to the app and click on join community? This way I will get to see you guys separately out of TV and you guys can join the team and be a part of an awesome group to enhance app and TV. Ina, are you going to do that?
Definitely.
Yeah, do you think everyone, you should tell your friends also to do that?
Yes.
Amazing. So I think I have already have 30 challenges ready for you. So let's share the
30?
screen. I know, and
That's
quickly add
really
stuff.
fast.
Yeah, I know. Everyone's
So
excited.
I have just got my sprite now. I'll show you. This is my
Whoa.
sprite.
Super. But I like blue color more, so later I'm going to give you a challenge of changing the color that you have to sort of rule.
Easy.
Awesome. So let's start with the first challenge, Ina. The first challenge from Shriyarti. Thank you, Shriyarti, for giving us the first challenge. Ina, can you quickly make that move, make the Among Us character move around?
Alright. So, like we always start our. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. I need to make this bigger.
Yeah, I think now you can just tone down this, like you can reset the screen size and just increase the block size. Yeah, and then we can increase the block size.
So, when the flag is clicked,
Yeah.
first of all, shall we make him start over, say,
Maybe at the top, at the beginning of the game.
yeah?
Yeah, this is nice.
Alright. Now, go to XY, and of course, show.
Super. Oh wow, Vishwan's telling
Wow.
us that he's already joined the community. That's great, Vishwan. I can't wait to meet you soon. Keep one space for Ina because she's busy creating stuff right now. So she'll be able to join only after live. Right, Ina?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, I don't have a phone right now.
Right. So what are you doing right now?
So, I'm going to say that when I press the up arrow key,
Okay.
it has to change its Y, which is the up and the down direction,
Right.
by 15. And the same thing goes for down arrow. But in down arrow, it's a negative number. So
Right.
I say minus 50.
Okay.
Now, right and left.
Right.
So when right arrow key pressed, since Y is only up and down, we're going to change it to X. Change X by 50.
Alright. So X is right and
Now
left.
right and left. Yes. Now like we did for down, left arrow becomes change X by minus 50.
Right.
Negative number. Negative
Okay.
number.
Super.
Now we'll just test it out.
Okay.
Moves right. he moves down, he moves up, he moves left.
Super! The
Now,
first
now
easy.
one more
Oh,
thing.
you're adding something. Wow, okay.
Shall we make it actually look like he is walking?
Wow, sure. It's like a bonus performance on the challenge. Let's do that.
Let's see. Our
Okay.
costumes are standing and walking.
Wow, okay.
So I'll say that when the flag is clicked, he has to stand facing the right. So I'll say when green flag clicked, switch costume to stand.
Nice. And actually, someone gave right now a similar sort of. Tanya, one of our students, Tanya from grade 5, is asking if you can change the color as well. So after you've actually moved it from left, right, and here and there, can you also change the color?
Yes, I'll just show you now.
Okay.
So after this, we have to say that when right arrow key pressed,
Right.
it has to point in this direction,
Correct.
which is the stand,
Right.
move here, and
Yeah.
come back.
Right.
That is one step to the right.
Okay.
So I'll just say switch costume to stand, switch costume to walk.
Okay.
And if I move anywhere else, it's going to stay the same.
Okay.
Now for left,
Right.
I will say switch costume to stand to
Right.
and switch costume to walk to.
Nice.
Shall we test it?
Yes, let's test it. This is exciting.
Alright. You see him walking?
Yeah.
Now we want him to bring his legs back together as well.
Yeah.
Just in case he takes a second step.
Right.
So I'll bring him back to stand.
Right.
The same thing applies for the left. Stand 2.
Okay.
Now, it's too fast. So shall we put a weight? Point 1. And here again, point 1.
Super.
Now, for right as well. Point 1. Point 1.
Cute. Now let's see what's happening. Prathamai is saying, can you also add tasks? If you can't, then it's okay. Prathamai, I'm sure we can figure something out, some fun tasks. So we're definitely checking that challenge. Wow, this looks great.
It looks like it's walking and it moves up and down as well.
Super. High five, Ina, for completing the first challenge. So let's go to the second challenge, and Tanya, we are going to come back to your challenge for sure, I promise. But before that, let's focus a bit on Prathamai's challenge, who is from grade 10. So Pratham is saying, can we add a task? And then we also have Daksh, who is from grade 6. He's saying, grade 5. He's saying, can we add score label as well? So Ina, can we just mix something up, guys? Just help us understand something. Can we add a score label? Can you show how to add a score label? And then maybe we can add a coin or something which after the imposter finds, after the imposter or crewmate finds and collects, the score increases. Do you think you can do that?
Yes, I can.
Alright guys, so after the first challenge is done by Shriyarthi, where she moved everything around and Ina added an extra touch, we are going to do the second challenge, which is a combination of Prathamai's challenge and Daksh's challenge, where we are going to add something and the imposter is going to collect it and get a score. Okay, so let's see how do you do that.
I have an idea.
Okay.
How about the task is to collect the coin?
Alright.
Or star, whatever, it has to collect something.
Right.
And when it collects, the
Right.
score changes.
Cool.
So that mixes both up.
I love it. Sure. Let's try that.
So let me see. Do I have a...
Ooh, okay. Virender, who is in grade 2. Wow, young kid. He has a challenge on a challenge. He's saying, please set a time. So, Ina, to complete that, I'm going to give you a time. So, you have to complete all of this of score and star in 4 minutes. Can you do that?
I can try.
Okay, let's do it. I'm sure you can
All
do
right.
that.
I have a question.
I am
Do
setting
you want
up
a
the
star
time.
that looks like this, or do you want a star which is at the end like this? I'll remove the stick.
Sweetheart, you have 4 minutes, so well, just go ahead with the normal star. Don't go
I
into
think we'll just go
designing.
ahead with the star.
Yeah. So Virender, let's set up a time and let's see if my super coder is able to complete it. Hey, Ina,
Yeah.
I've set up a time.
All right.
Yeah? Okay.
Let me start.
Cool.
So I'm going to go to variables, and I already have a variable called score.
Yeah.
I'm just going to show it.
Okay.
I can delete my variable one.
Okay.
Alright, now I will go back to my first thing that I made and say set score to 0 after when flag click.
Yeah.
And here in the star, when flag clicked, go to XY, show,
Okay.
and forever if touching sprite, which is my character, my player.
Correct.
So if it's touching the sprite,
Yeah.
then it has to, it has to change the scope by 1.
Right.
And of course, it has to hide after that.
Okay, why is it hiding? Oh, because I've collected it, so.
Yes.
Okay. Sounds interesting.
And also, just for fun, I will add a sound.
Hey, you know what? There was a. Okay, so Vishwant had given a Vishwant had given a challenge if you can add a sound, and I'm glad you're completing it as well. So, well, there was the next challenge that I was going to tell, but hey, it's done.
Alright, now let's listen to this collect sound. Sounds good?
Yes.
Okay.
I couldn't hear it because I think, but never mind. Let's try it.
Let's test it out.
Yeah.
Sounds good?
Yes. Cool.
How about we also have, I thought of another thing.
Okay. Wow, I like how
We
Ina
need
is
to-
giving challenges to Ina, along with everyone else who's giving challenges to Ina. So, what would you like to do more? By the way, guys, she's completed it, and we still have 1 minute 20 seconds left. Super.
Alright. So I think that we can add a list, a little list which has tasks.
Super. And Mrudul Joshi, thank you for joining the community, guys. There is Mrudul who's telling me that he's joined the community, and there's also one more person who was telling me, who's joined the community. I'm sorry, I can't find it. There's so many challenges that are coming my way. But guys, everyone join Mrudul and join the community so you can actually come and help us improve and bring fun stuff on TV, and also to test our new app. So go guys, join the community. What are you doing, Ina?
So I just came to my variables and there's a button called make a list. So I
Okay.
clicked on that and made a list called tasks.
Awesome. So Pranay, Prathamai, we are finally giving you what you wanted. We are creating tasks. And what are we going to add here?
So here, since our first task was to collect the coin, I will add collect star.
Nice. She's actually adding the coins to the tasks to the list. So as you complete, are you going to keep updating?
Yes.
Awesome. So your first one was actually make the crewmate move.
Yes. So I think we've got something off. Shall we check?
Yes. Cool. I am so excited about this one.
I know what we got off.
Yes.
When we restarted it,
Right.
our player had already reached the star.
Right.
And so, immediately, it so happened that it touched it a fraction of seconds.
Hmm.
So we will go to control, and at the beginning in our stars code,
Yeah.
after right click, we'll
Right.
say wait 0.1 seconds.
Super.
So now shall we test it?
Yes.
And also, we don't want it to get added twice. So, in the stars code,
Right.
we'll say if touching sprite, then
Right.
that sound collect, change score by 1.
Yeah.
But we also need to collect the stars task because the task is completed.
Super. So it is something we have Prathama who's saying I've joined the community. Awesome, Prathama, welcome to the community. Now we have one more request. Ina, this is a bit tough. And I think because you have done such amazing requests, this might be a second last. So guys, 2 more requests. So that's next challenges. And Ina, I don't know how we're going to pull it off. But hey, we've never had like a video sensing Among Us. Right? And
No.
I know that you know how to use AI with Scratch, and we have never done it before on live. So can we take a request from Akshit, who is in grade 7 and who is saying that Ina, can you give us a video sensing Scratch? Like for example, let's say if you move your hand, then the sprite should go up. Do you think you can pull that off?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. I like the oh please, yeah, reaction. So, do you think we can do that right now?
Yes, we can.
Ooh,
Definitely.
cool, guys. Let's check. And there are like so many. Also, someone's asking, can you do an imposter? So, can we just change the color after this of the sprite? After sprite goes to a particular place, just change the color, so it becomes an imposter.
Okay.
Okay, awesome.
Now, so we'll update our when flag clicked again.
Okay.
So we don't want the video to turn on as soon as we start the game.
Right.
Only after we're done collecting the stuff.
Correct.
Now, since somebody wanted me to add tasks, I'm going to add a second task.
Right.
I'm going to say let's see.
Woohoo, Vihan Jain, welcome to the community.
Reach the top of the screen.
Nice.
So now it becomes a part of our challenge that I just got for the video sensing.
Mm-hmm.
Because now in the video sensing, we're going to make it go up.
Okay.
So we'll say in the when flag click, turn video off.
And while you're coding, parallelly, can you answer Harshpreet Kaur's question, Ina? Harshpreet Kaur is in grade 7 and he's asking, why have we added hide?
Where?
I think to the star. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Because when we collect something, it doesn't stay in the same place. In a normal game, you
Yeah,
don't expect
it just
to stay in the
disappears.
same place. Then we'd wonder if it hadn't been collected.
Correct. That's nice.
So to show that it's collected, I said hide.
Super. Cool. I hope that answers your question. Awesome. So now let's get Ina to focus because it's something new that we are gonna do. And I'm glad Akshat for your challenge. Thank you so much.
So we'll say turn video off and set video transparency to 70.
Mm-hmm.
Alright?
Okay.
Now, in the star,
Hmm.
we will say that when it touches this sprite of ours,
Hmm.
it starts the sound, it changes the score, it deletes the collect the star task of our list, and it hides.
Right.
But we'll also say over here that it has to broadcast video sensing. That means we will start the video sensing.
Super. So it's basically telling that hey, once this is done, start your video.
Yes.
Nice.
So now I'll come back to my sprite and say when I receive video sensing, turn video on and again set video transparency to 75.
Nice.
And now I'll say forever if I will take video motion on sprite block and I'll go to operators and take my more than.
Right.
The first one I say video motion on sprite.
Yeah.
And in the second one I will say 18.
Yeah.
So if the video motion on sprite is more than 18, then I want my sprite to go straight up.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'll change Y by 10.
Mridul, I'm Mridul, she does. I'm sure she knows the rotate bit, which she can definitely show us once her challenge is completed. And yes, Prathamai, guys, you can definitely, if you're a part of CampK12 community, you can definitely apply to come and be a super coder. So how about you join the community and we can take it from there. Also, Ina, are we done? What? Are you done?
Yes, but I'm not yet done with the video sensing. I'm just going to show you.
Okay. Will you require the to move the taskbar somewhere, because otherwise how will you see the imposter? You can move it to the right.
My list?
Yeah.
Yes.
Extreme right. Yeah. So you get some time to, yeah.
Okay. Now.
Okay. First you have to collect the coin.
We have to come down.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And it collected my coin.
Yes.
Now, the video. Oh, sorry. I think something just got deleted.
No problem. Yeah. You wanna try again?
I'll just refresh so it's back.
Cool.
Yeah. So now I will.
Yes, Akanksha Prasad's asking, can you make a chatbot? I'm sure she can, but we are already over time right now, so I'm hoping we'll get to do that challenge. But never mind, guys, we'll share this with you and you can add your challenges.
No. It's still not working.
Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah, try 50, or maybe it's working, try very less. Can you try on stars if you're giving the right, if you're broadcasting the right message?
I will just change this part.
Ah, that's a smart idea. So you don't turn it off.
Also, I noticed that you will see 1 and 2 tasks are already here. Now when I restart it, the they both get added again.
Yes.
So maybe when the flag is clicked,
Yeah. It's cool, you know, no
delete all
problem.
of tasks.
Okay, let's try that. That's a good idea. Also, Nihal, you will soon get notification from our team for the community. Guys, right now just join the community and you'll soon get notification by tomorrow end of the day about what are the next steps, right? Also, Ina, we have last 5 minutes to conclude because we are already over time. So let's try one more time to complete this task, and if not, then it's fine. We can just change the color. We also have one more task from Tanya, which is to change the color of the imposter.
Yes.
Cool. So would you like to try it again? And it's fine. We can work on it later and share the link with everyone else. It's no problem. We are everyone anyways trying to pick something super tough, which is the video sensing bit.
Maybe if we move on and get back to this later, I
can
get an
work.
idea.
Of course, yes, definitely.
So we will just change the color.
Yes.
So when do we want it to change color?
So we wanted to change color when it collects the coin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Now I will come back.
Okay.
Sorry. Star.
Yeah.
And I will also say broadcast change color.
So Harshprit is asking if we have to join the community to showcase our own projects. Guys, there's a lot of scope, right? You get to showcase you will definitely get to showcase your projects if we start working on that as well. However, the main thing about the community is that you will get to test our product. So imagine before a new feature is being launched for everyone else, you will get to test it, you'll get to use it, and similarly you will get to tell what exactly is like what can we do the next time when you're on CampK12 TV, right? So there's a lot of join the team and check it out.
Okay, I'm making a few small changes here.
Okay.
I've removed video sensing from here.
Right.
I'm telling the sprite
Okay.
that when I receive change color,
Okay.
it has to change color effect by 25
Right.
and wait 0.1 seconds
Okay.
5 times.
Perfect. Let's try it. All right.
Oh, and also after that, it has to broadcast. After that, it has to broadcast video sensing.
Okay. Nice. Let's try. Make kill and sabotage. Winner 7084 is saying, guys, let's not be let's be non-violent for today. Hey, that is so cool. Hey, did you just see? Oh, okay, you are moving it. I thought that the video sensing thing moved it.
No.
Okay, cool. This is great, Ina, and how much ever I would want for you to make more and more tasks, and I know all of our viewers are also excited about it. Unfortunately, we are way beyond time, so I might have to stop this tasks bit, but this was crazy. How did you feel?
That was really fun. I really liked all their ideas.
I know, right? And it was great. Thank you so much, guys. And Ina, you were amazing. You actually created stuff that these guys were suggesting and also added your own elements to it. So thank you so much for doing so. And Ina, don't forget to join the community, guys. Don't forget to join the community. Also, for everyone who are a part of CampK12 and who are also outside CampK12, please definitely go check out our Insta and Facebook pages, because just like Ina, there are so many super coders in the CampK12 community who have amazing projects which we showcase. Also, Ina, would you like to tell these guys to do something more?
I think all of you should like this, comment, and please subscribe.
Yes, and also the notification bell icon, because just like
Yes.
Ina did challenges this time, next time we have something different. So we are bringing in new flavors to TV now. It's going to be new series and new episodes with fun stuff where you guys will get to interact a lot. Yeah. So Ina, thank you so much. How are you feeling now?
I feel really, really, really excited now.
Me too. Now the excitement level for me also has gone high, and it's all thanks to you and thanks to the amazing challenges. Also, Ina, there are like so many more challenges that I have which I'm going to forward, and you should definitely make all of these things happen, and we'll post it on our YouTube or our Insta and Facebook pages. Are you up for it?
Yes,
Super.
I'm definitely up.
Cool. So thank you so much, guys. It was great having all of you here, and see you next time on Friday 7 p.m. with a new super coder. But it's not challenges, it's not super coder teaching you, it's going to be something fun. We are going to have many super coders come in and create super amazing chaos. So Ina, are you ready? Are you excited about the next week?
I can't wait for it now.
Me too. So see you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time at 7 p.m. Thank you so much. And unfortunately, we have to end this. I never feel like ending it, you know.
Neither do I feel like ending the video.